Hey guys, it's Chris from B&C. Just wanted to go over a quick thing, that way our customers can kind of understand it, and possible future customers understand the quality difference that they get here at B&C versus our other competition around town, especially some of the larger companies. The thing that we see the most is screens that arrive in that have been repaired previously by someone else. Occasionally they'll have the missing screw or something, which is it's not a big deal. Every now and then a screw may fall out, or somebody didn't tighten it right or lost it. Not always the biggest deal. Usually replace those if that's the case. But the thing we want to go over is the actual screen quality. So here at B&C we use only OEM refurbished screens. We buy those either directly from a refurbisher or take them to a refurbisher ourselves and have the screens that we take off original iPhones and have the glass replaced on them. When they replace this glass, they use a cold pressed frame with new original quality glass. We test these glasses by bending them and impact testing. The difference is the quality. So when you pull on these sides, they don't come loose. Like they're very strong. They don't pull loose. It takes a lot of force to break those free, and that's from the cold press. Now the thing that we see with our aftermarket companies that supply copy screens, they may look the same, and these are fairly similar copies. There's worse ones on the market, but if you can see, this has a bunch of different stamps on the back side of it, which the original will not. And if you look at the center there where the QR code should be for the part that Apple uses, it's not there. The original parts also have, on the copy there's no serial here. On the originals, they have a serial number that's printed underneath of there. And you can also see in the bottom, they usually have the original logoing. I don't know if you'll be able to tell. It's hard to catch that at the right light. There you go, you can see that logo. On these, they have no logoing. It's just a generic bottom piece. There's nothing there. But the main thing is, and that's just all aesthetics. That's not a huge deal, but the frame is the big deal. So with the copies, this is what we're seeing. They use what they call a hot melt glue, and you can see the glue itself doesn't hold. It just stretches out, and you can pull it right off. And it's doing it on both sides. And what happens is, over time, this glue comes loose, and you can see the top of the frame is coming loose. Like I can flex the whole piece there. And these come off like that. With the hot melt, that's just what you get with the copies. But when you do cold press originals like what we use, these frames never come loose. They have a much higher resistance to drop and breaking, and these frames won't separate on you and cause damage to your cables. And they also have a much clearer and better responsive touch, and your LCD image is just like original. Since these are original LCD panels and touch panels, just new glass, you're getting all OEM quality for an affordable price. And in most situations, our price is less than some of these companies that are selling you a copy product. So next time you're considering getting your screen swapped, come by and see us at B&C, and we may be able to help you.